So let's move on. Again I'm drawing a fish, and then I'm drawing an eyes and the lips. So here the wings and the tails is being drawn. So, and then a queen type of water that is swimming. So let me put some shades to this fish with a blue color. So let's move on. Again I'm drawing the half circle and the body. Here it's a shell that has been drawn. Again I'm using an hexagonal shape and connecting the shell body, and an eyes has been drawn. So, and the legs has been drawn. So let me put some shades to this tortoise with green color and yellow. So let's move on. Again I'm drawing a two circles, half circles, and then connecting the body. Here we are drawing a tortoise. So tortoise body is big but it walks very slow. So here the four legs has been drawn, and the inner shell of the tortoise is being drawn. So let's draw the face and the eyes and the lips. So I need to put some shades to this tortoise to make more prettier. And here's the queen and the king tortoise with a green color.